Alright guys, without further ado, I paid 200 bucks for 2 mystery boxes on eBay from this seller right here, va.cards. And there's supposed to be 3 mystery packs in here and some cards with a chance at some vintage packs. So we'll see what we got here in this first box. I'm still waiting on the second box to come in the mail. So let's see what we got. Well, that's pretty fun. We got the little dog and the ball there. Love dogs. And then you got the Who's That Pokemon right there. Very neat and fun. Let's get into this. Very well packaged. It came in 2 yellow sleeves. I took the first one off so you guys didn't see my address. I messed that up in the first little bit there. Alright, so here we've got our shrink wrapped bulk. And then let's see what cards we got. Give me something good. Oh, it's sealed again. Okay, we got a coin, and we got some cool stickers. I really like this one. Look at the Charmander with Pikachu here sleeping. We got a Nidoqueen or Nidoran, and then we got the crew there. Alright guys, this is what we're waiting for right here. Moment of truth. They look like all Scarlet and Violet era packs here. Oh, okay. 2 Paldean Fates and a Temporal Forces. I'll take that. We got a chance at a Bubble Mew there. And we got our bulk here. For one of these packs was $75 and the other one was, I'm sorry, it was $80 and the other one was $115. So okay, we got something from 2000 here. We got a base set trainer, base set Weeping Bill. We got Bill, Team Rocket, another Bayleaf, another Tentacruel, Electabuzz, base set Charmander. That's in really good shape. There's some white on around the edges. A Charmeleon. No Charizard. That would be crazy, right? To finally get our Charizard here. We got a lot of base set cards here. These are pretty vintage cards. Another Charmander. That one's in better shape. Let's get this organized here. Lots of trainers here, geez. Lots of Tentacruels. Another Bayleaf and another Charmander. Alright, nothing good there. Maybe we'll send some of those off to get graded just for giggles. Let's open this Temporal Forces pack first. I actually don't think I've opened Temporal Forces ever. I honestly can't remember. Get rid of that code card in the bin. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's see if this lets me zoom in. I kept trying to zoom in and it kept shutting the camera off. What? 2 of them. We got a Metang and we got a Koraidon EX. Okay. Let's get into this Paldean Fates here. That other box should be here today, so we'll see. Maybe we'll get lucky and get a vintage pack in there. Alright, nothing good. Last chance at that Bubble Mew. Something back there. And Executor. Alright, so far we've got nothing. We got a lot of vintage and base cards here. They're all commons though. We've got an uncommon Tentacruel here. Uncommon Bayleaf, Electabuzz, uncommon Growlithe, some thumbs. These cards are in pretty good shape, actually. I'm pretty impressed, and they're all definitely real. I was not paid or sponsored to make this video. I just bought some stuff on eBay, so when the next one gets here, I'll continue this video. Alright guys, we got package number 2 from VA Cards on eBay. I went through and scanned all of those bulk cards from Base 2, Fossil, Jungle, Neo, Era, and the Legendary Collection, and it was about $74 was the total value. So that's actually not bad for vintage bulk. Some of the cards were like $5, you know, a couple dollars a piece, and I would say a lot of them were light play to mod play. So again, nicely packaged. We've got the Who's That Pokemon right there. I don't know why they came 2 days apart. Okay, we've got our bulk again. We've got an Eevee on the top here from Jungle. We've got our stickers here, and the same coin. That doesn't make me feel very confident. Let's go through the bulk here first. See if I can make this video before my battery dies. All this bulk is supposed to be vintage-ish. So, let's see if we got anything good in here hiding out. There's some Rocket Zubats. Another Charmeleon. An English Mantine. I had like a German card and a French card in there too. I found another Charmeleon. We're getting some Neo, some Base, Fossil. Okay, not bad for vintage bulk. This stuff would move well for like a whatnot seller or something like that, which I am not. So let's see. Looks like we're gonna have the same 3 packs again. Oh, we got one Paldean Fates, a Paradox Rift, and Temporal Forces. Alright, no vintage packs here. So, I mean, I'd estimate the value of those bulk cards at around $70 again. These packs are $5 or $6 a piece, probably. Nothing good. So, in total, I don't know, if I was to sell every single card, I mean, we'd probably make like $140 tops. Oh, we got an Iron Crown EX. I think that's a good hit. I'm not sure. Let's pull out the rare candy and scan that really quick. $1.54. Let's get that sleeved up here. Are we gonna hit the Bubble Mew? That's actually a pretty good looking card. Bubble Mew would save us right now from this Paldean Fates. There's something back there. Come on, give me a Bubble Mew. That's all I need. Just give me a Bubble Mew. Nope. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. We've got our 2 stacks of vintage bulk here. And our hit right there. Definitely not displeased with the buy. You guys are interested, you go check them out on eBay. I did not get sponsored. I did not get paid for this. I had to pay out of pocket for all of these. And obviously no special treatment was shown. I didn't get anything good or crazy, but it was still an enjoyable open. Here you go. As you can see, here's my eBay purchase history. So these were the 2. And then I bought this one as well, a large vintage modern box. So who knows what's going to be in here. And that'll be here sometime next week. So we await that video. Thanks for watching.